We got a brand new single out of Country Radio right now, and it's doing good. We're excited. We're real proud of it. It's called White Lightning. This goes out to my good buddy, Mr. DJ Stout, who's playing this shit on radio up there somewhere. So cheers, buddy. I love you, man. She stole my heart. Faster than a heat shooting missile on a mission. Faster than a fast to the roof and never fixing. Faster than a walnut rose on the head. Faster than a whiskey shot goes